guys, welcome to a new video. It is time to update you on my journey with IPL hair removal. So I made a video back in December talking about my new IPL device, the Kenzzi right here, and I promised I would do an update when I had some, more noticeable and visible, obvious results to share. So today is the day. This video is kindly in collaboration with Kenzzi, but I will be telling you my honest opinion, honest results. I will be showing you results as well. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I do personally like to remove my body hair, and if it's something that you like to do for yourself as well, then I think it is very helpful and useful to explore different options, different hair removal options. We have so many nowadays. I have been using IPL, which is intense pulsed light. It uses broad spectrum light to treat a fairly wide area of skin at the same time. It is comparable to laser in many ways, but it is less intense. The light is in a different frequency and it is safe to use at home, just by yourself, on yourself. How this works is it travels through the melanin in your hair, targeting the hair follicle, which weakens it, making your hair grow back thinner, slower, and eventually not grow back at all. Kenzzi are kindly offering my viewers a discount code for $50 off, so you can use code Loepsie50 on Kenzzi.com to claim that. It is really easy to use, it's fairly quick to use, it is safe to use, and you can get results in as quick as 2 or 3 weeks. And they say you should have your full results in 12 weeks. Alright, so on to my results. I have been using this since November, more than the 12 weeks they say it takes for you to get full results anyway. And actually all this time I have used it only on one side of my body so that I could get a clear comparison and actually see what this does, not just in before and after photos, but in real time, so that I'm sure that nothing else has affected my results. So I want to show you a clip of my legs. This is after 12 weeks of having used the device, and this is a week after shaving. So both legs were shaved on the same day, a week before this clip was shot. And you can very clearly see the difference in the two legs when it comes to leg hair. So basically, the leg that I have treated, I still do have some hair. There is some stubble, but it is growing in so much slower than on the other side. And also the hair is finer, it is thinner, and I feel like it's lighter as well. You can't really see it. You definitely feel it, and maybe when you come up really close you can see it as well. But it is absolutely uncomparable to the other kind of just, growing well and free leg. There is definitely a huge difference. The untreated leg, I definitely feel like I need to shave again after maybe 3-4 days, whereas the other leg I'm still fine after a week. I still don't feel like I really need to shave. But yes, on my legs, amazing results. It took a while for me to see results. I definitely personally didn't have them after 2 or 3 weeks. I think it took maybe 7 for me to start seeing results, and then like 10, 11, 12, I really felt that's when I was really satisfied with the results I was getting. I felt like I actually didn't really have leg hair anymore, and that's of course what I was going for. So at 12 weeks, I started using the device on my other leg as well, and that's when I also added other areas. So I started treating the kind of insides of my upper thighs as well, and my toes and my feet, and of course my bikini line, but I was already treating my bikini line. So yeah, bikini line, guys. I feel like that hair doesn't want to go away. It is taking a very long time for me to see results in my bikini line. I'm not going to show you before and afters of that part, but I did also use it only on one side over there, and it took very long for me to feel like I was seeing a difference. Honestly, I think it's only around now that I'm starting to really notice a difference. I feel like the side that I'm treating, range within which the hair grows is shrinking. So I feel like this hair is starting to disappear around the edges, and also that the hair around the kind of outside is thinner and not as coarse. So that area is proving a little bit more stubborn and difficult, but I do feel like something is happening now and I'm slowly starting to see less hair around the outside. So I'll just keep using this. I have read online in other people's reviews that this tends to happen, that the bikini line is one of the hardest areas to remove hair from. If that had been the only area I was treating, I might have lost hope, but knowing that it worked perfectly on my legs, I am determined to keep using this until I see results on my bikini line as well. So I have started doing both sides on that as well. I would love to hear from other people who have used an IPL device or currently use one on and around their bikini line, kind of how long it took for you to start seeing very clear results there. And just in general, in other places, like what's the body part that took the longest to remove hair from? On my legs, absolute perfection. Love it. Will definitely keep on using this. I can't wait for the moment where I don't have to shave at all anymore and I can just use this as upkeep every once in a while. And when my other leg catches up and I don't just have one hairy leg. I just want to show you the actual device. Looks like this. It's very compact, easy to hold, ergonomic design. Comes with a button in the back. This is the on button and this is the large button that activates the light flashes. It comes with a 3-meter cable. It's a plug-in device, so you don't have to worry about charging it. And the cable is definitely long enough for comfortable use, and I really like that. So you just plug it in at the top here. You turn on the device. I didn't actually plug it in. Wait, let me do that. So you plug it in, you press the button in the back, which will start flashing green. When it's on, the device will start whirring, and what you can hear is air circulating through the little vent in the back, which helps to keep the device cool, because it can heat up a little bit when you use it for prolonged periods of time. Here in the back, you have your strength indicator, indicating how powerful the device is at the moment. You can regulate that. So 1 blue dot is the lightest setting, and you can go up to 5, which is the heaviest setting. They recommend, and I do as well, to start at the lowest setting for your first round and then slowly work your way up. It helps you to get used to the feeling and discover how sensitive your skin is in different areas. So when you have your setting, you just place it on your skin, you press the large button, and a light flash comes out like that. And that is basically how you just travel across the entire section that you want to treat. If you want to treat a larger area of skin, you can just press down, hold the button for 5 seconds, let me demonstrate, and it will keep continuously flashing. And that allows you to cover larger areas all in one go. As you can see, as soon as you lift the device off of your skin, it will no longer flash, which is perfect for eye safety, because you definitely don't want to look into this intense pulsed light device. But yeah, it'll only pulse if you actually have it up to your skin, so that is fantastic. The device comes with a quick start manual, which tells you everything you need to know about using it. Also comes with a color chart for skin colors, because unfortunately this doesn't work on all skin tones. It is unsafe for dark skin because, as I mentioned, it works through melanin, and it also doesn't work when there isn't a lot of contrast between the color of your hair and the color of your skin. Aside from reducing hair growth, IPL can also treat sunspots, blemishes, pigmentation, and even wrinkles. I know some beauty salons offer IPL treatments for all of those things. I just use it for hair removal. It is always advisable to do a test patch first, just to make sure that your skin reacts well to the treatment. So just try it on a little bit of the skin that you're planning to treat and then wait a few days to see if anything happens, and if not, then you're ready to use your device. So before your treatment, you want to start by exfoliating the skin. That really helps to allow the light to penetrate into the skin a little bit easier when you remove those top layers of skin. It also helps you get a closer shave, because that is the next step you need to do. You do need to shave before using this, and you need to shave and not wax or epilate your hair, because again, you need that little bit of hair with the melanin to guide your light into the hair follicle. So you want to shave beforehand, and do be sure to shave closely, because when you skip a patch, it gets really hot. I speak from experience here. Generally, you want to use this once a week. I do my treatments every Thursday. It takes me about half an hour now. I usually just watch some TV or YouTube videos while I'm doing it. Also, you want to make sure before you're using this that you haven't been out in the sun or sunbathing, tanning for at least 48 hours before you use this, and also after you use this. So right now, winter, early spring is the perfect time to use this when you're not as exposed to the sun naturally. And you also want to be careful not to use this over any broken skin, so cuts, scrapes, anything that you might have, little wounds, or birthmarks, moles, things like that, and tattoos. So anything that is dark and on your skin and like a big contrast to the rest of your skin color, you want to avoid those spots. But anywhere else on your body, below your eyes, you are safe to use this. So you can literally treat any part of your body as long as it is not, close to your eyes. So anything upper lip down, you can safely treat. I do have to say I'm very, very happy with my Kenzzi. I absolutely love how I can use it in the comfort of my own home. I don't have to go out. We have been in lockdown for a long time, and I'm just glad that I don't have to visit a salon, use public transport or anything. I can treat private areas without anyone, being there looking at me. I know that's no problem to lots of people, but for me, I would personally feel a little bit uncomfortable with that. But yeah, this way I can just do everything myself. I can determine how high I want this setting to be. Oh, that's something else I wanted to mention. I have noticed my tolerance went way up, and I now use it on the hottest setting on my legs and the second to hottest setting on my bikini line. The sensation that you get from this, I wouldn't say it's pain, it's more like heat. And then sometimes, in my experience, this is when I set the heat setting up too high, a bit of a snapping sensation, but it's definitely much, much, much less painful than any kind of semi-permanent hair removal like waxing or epilating. It's not comparable to that at all. It also works when you use the lowest setting, so you don't even have to crank it all the way up, it'll work even when you use a lower setting, so that is perfect. And honestly, on the lowest setting, I can't even feel it. I just did that little zap on unshaved skin and I didn't feel anything. So I do have that little discount code for you guys with code Loepsie50. Originally $229, but with the discount it's only $179, which I know it's an investment, it's a pretty large sum of money to pay in one go, but for me personally, it is so worth it. If you compare this price to having all of your body lasered or IPL'd in a salon, it is so much cheaper. Usually just getting laser hair removal or IPL hair removal on just one area of your skin will easily cost way more than this. And you can use this all over your body, and this comes with 10 years of flashes, so you should be able to use this for the upcoming 10 years. And after a while you only have to use it for upkeep, so you don't even have to use it on the weekly. Oh, and there was some confusion about this in my last video, but laser hair removal isn't permanent either. You need to go back every once in a while for upkeep with laser as well. That is very comparable, but this, when compared to full body laser treatments at a salon, is so much more affordable. So if that is something that you were considering doing, or you spend money on getting waxed regularly, or just, beauty treatments like that in general, this is definitely worth checking out. So yeah, in summary, very happy with my results. My one treated leg is almost completely hair-free, and I will definitely continue to use it on the upper part of my leg. Bikini line, of course, which is now slowly starting to recede. And I am now considering starting using it on my upper lip as well. It's really easy to use. I quite enjoy the process. It's a little bit of me time. I get to watch some TV and just go over my legs with this. I saw results in about 7 weeks, but I looked up so many reviews, video reviews, written reviews. People get results sometimes even after 1 use, but 2 or 3, and I love that I will be able to use this for the next 10 years and not worry about having to shave every single day. I would love to do another update in maybe like a year or something, a year after I started using it. If you're interested in trying this out for yourself, discount Loepsie50 on Kenzzi.com. That's $50 off. I would love to hear any of your experiences with the Kenzzi or any other, similar IPL device. That's where I'm gonna end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed seeing my results side by side. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for lots more beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and sewing content. I want to give a massive thank you to Kenzzi for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very soon again in my next video.